family in Washington, D.C. Great supporters of the movement. Right from the beginning in late 1965, they became active, and they talked about the strike and the boycott and the huelga and the movimiento and the caos and so forth, supporting, but always talking about the boycott. Soon after that, a little girl was born to the family, and about 4.5 years later, this little incident took place.
We got overly interested in what we saw as the famous people, the lectures and all of that. It's the oral histories that are the treasure that we are just beginning to mine. There are amazing histories of Orange County from the point of view of its Mexican American community.